Hey everyone, so today I'll be explaining you about how we can create tax summary based on transformer. Firstly, I will install all the libraries that we needed, or two libraries that we needed here. One is transformer, another one is sentence piece. And from the transformer, we'll be using package source for conditional generation, and package source tokenizer, and its pipeline. Okay. Okay, I have a lot of sessions open. Let me close them up. Now, let me run. So, let me explain you how it's installing the what we needed. And each model on a transformer, we have its tokenizer and its model. Two things we needed for any model that we use on a transformer. Right here, I'll be using Pegasus and its X small one. You know? And firstly, what I'm doing, I'm taking its pre-trained model tokenizer for this model. So what it do, it will give me tokenizer of that model from a pre-trained model. Now we'll get tokens, tokenizer. Once I got the tokenizer, I'll use this conditional generator and its pre-trained model and give it here the model name. Now we'll have the model quick size, but that's not an issue for us. After that, this is a tags that I generated using OpenAI. It tells you about what is AI and how it's been used currently in industries. And yeah, so this is a text. After that, what we need to do? Simple. What we need to do is we need to give the tags to tokenizer and we will truncation as a true, because if tax is very big and that's not fitting to the model, because there is a limit on each model about its input size, right? So truncation is used for that. If the word is very small, then we will use the padding, and what it will return us the PyTorch or torch sensors. That is what it will generate and give us. Once we have the tokens of the text, then we'll give this tokens to this model to generate the summary. Once we have the summary, then we'll convert this tensors into the meaningful words, right, by which we can understand, because tokenizer here will not just create a token, but they will create those tags to the number, and that's why you print directly this, then we'll not able to understand anything, and it's a function over here. So after that, I'm decoding the text, and once we decode that, then we'll able to see this text here as a summary, right? So this is the whole approach that we are using, and we can do this whole stuff inside the pipeline. So inside the pipeline, we just need to name it here like what we want to do, right? Here we are doing summarization, giving the model name and the tokenizer and the framework, as we told you, that is PT. So it will give me a transfer torch, right? And what I will give is a tags, minimum length, maximum length, and it will give me a tax summary, you know, in a minute or so. Cool. That's it over here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.